Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Samsung soundbar to Wi-Fi. Let's go. Turn on your soundbar. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install the SmartThings app. Open SmartThings app. Devices. Add Samsung devices. Soundbar. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Your phone must be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Select your soundbar. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter password. That's it. Now you know how to connect Samsung soundbar to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.